What's going on, everybody?
Hi.
We're here with BT from BT and Betty's Philippine Adventures. He stopped by the hotel today to see what we're up to. He's been following along. Thank you for stopping by, BT.
Thank you for having me in the door. You know, you have to kill about two of those guards out there to get in.
Yeah, right. Well, he was looking for us earlier, and we weren't. Mercy was out doing some Christmas shopping with her friend Mildred. Yeah, and then and I was out with my guy looking for stuff for the hotel, and he came by a second time, caught me here, and said, "Man, I couldn't believe I caught you here."
Yeah.
Anyway, man, we're gonna walk along. I'm gonna update you guys on what's going on in the hotel today. Some new progress. Take a look.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Oh yeah, guys, we have things progressing beautifully here. We got a sign box that's been constructed here for the front of the building. So our new sign's going to be going up soon. Actually, we've got like 4 signs being constructed. Oh, what do you got there? Some wallpaper.
Because they painted already this.
Oh, yes, you want to check out the wallpaper. Mercy's going to give her opinion.
Very nice. Just check it out.
Yeah, that's nice. That beats the purple flowers that's existing. Oh, we got a lot of that going on in some of the rooms here, so we're going to slowly be changing that. This back wall is probably going to be an accent wall as well, but we haven't decided totally yet. But we're coming along in the room here, guys. Last video, I don't think the floor was even complete. There's a lot of newspaper down because we got some painting going on here, but we got the floor done. Actually have the old air conditioner hole, you can see kind of where we painted it, it's a little fresh, is covered up so we can put our split type energy efficient air conditioner that's coming in tomorrow where that hole used to be.
Along with the furniture.
We do have furniture being delivered tomorrow as well, but that won't be going in the room yet. It won't be long.
Oh yeah, but it's gonna be, I just want to dress this room and everybody's gonna see how nice it's gonna be.
It's gonna look great.
31 rooms.
31s. Eventually, right? Now, the bathroom's almost there, guys. We're about 95% done in this bathroom. Check it out. Check out this setup. Very nice. Came out very nice. We have the rain shower head here with the optional wand, if you like.
Hand shower.
And we got a new water heater up here. Beautiful state-of-the-art stuff. And new toilet installed. It's starting to look good, guys. There I am. Hey. Anyway, bathroom's come along. We got a few more details in the bathroom before we are quite done there. Just take a look in the bar restaurant area. Now the bar is coming along nicely, guys. Look at this beautiful round bar going in to the restaurant and the bar. Now they're getting this ready for the top. They've got all this molding here set, the edging. What a beautiful bar this is going to be. Now the person that's building this for us says he doesn't know of another round bar in Angeles. Now could be wrong though. I'm not 100% certain. Somebody out there is going to say no, we have one. But I'm not aware of it. But this bar is coming out nicely, guys. Check it out. This is going to be stained just the same color as that big old column looking tree in the middle of the bar. Got a little working ledge there on the inside for preparing drinks. It's coming along good. Here's another sign, 2 more sign boxes. We have another huge sign here going out by the road. And another smaller one. Hadn't decided which is going on there, whether it's going to be the restaurant or the hotel or vice versa. But there's more to come on this wrapping of this bar. I believe this is the outer skin, and then they're going to stain it, so it's going to look beautiful. Could be wrong, but I think that's what's going on here. In the bathroom, oh, here's Frank doing some trim work. How's it going, Frank? Don't want you to fall off the ladder there.
Don't say it.
But yeah, don't jinx him. But this is all almost finished as well. Got the floor in here, a lot of paper on the floor, but this floor is done with the same wood style tile. Did a wall here behind the toilet. Toilet's coming in next. All retiled. If you haven't seen the first video when we showed you this, big difference. Big difference here. Everything's still taped off. Looking good. Looking good, Frank.
Yeah, it's almost done.
Now, we had an issue in the beginning when we first occupied the building here with water pressure, and we discovered it was a faulty pressure tank on the roof where the water tanks are. I want to show everybody because I'm very proud of the water pressure here in the entire hotel. Here's room 202. Let's take a look. Just an example of how good this water pressure is. It is strong, guys. Very strong throughout. Showers, every place. It's just some of the strongest water pressure I've seen since I've been in the Philippines. We have great water pressure at Warner's place where I stay. Because Warner takes care of that, makes sure it's done correctly. So now that our tanks are done right here, water pressure, hot water, clean rooms, I'm telling you what, man, you're gonna have everything you need to come stay with us here at the Drake and eat with us here at Poppy's Bar and Chill. I'm gonna take a little look up the steps here. I think we showed you the other day when these booths were coming in, and we still have to receive the rest of them. A little dark up here, guys. I apologize. Let me put some lights on the subject. There we go. We acquired a little wicker table set. That was pretty cool for a room, just a sampler. All right. We've been painting up here as well. We have, oh, there's the other chair that belongs to that set. We've been doing some painting up here as well. I'll just peek in here. I'm going 210, take a look. Yeah, 210 got painted. We had that gray paint. Now we've got this this coffee color going in, and it looks much better than that gray paint. Much better. Smells like fresh paint too. Again, I want to show you the water pressure. Every room, just power everywhere. I don't know if he painted in here yet or not. I don't think so. No paint here yet. We got this gray paint. See, we're covering up this gray, this dark gray paint. We're gonna be covering up all these ripped wallpaper, stuff like that. We're gonna get rid of all that. We've got a couple more rooms over here we've been painting. Let's take a look at these. Yeah, it's done pretty good in here. Still a work in progress. Got rid of that gray. Yeah, looking good. I haven't seen this since he's finished this one. That actually goes okay with this wallpaper. It matches. Keep receiving items every day.
What is that?
That is our faucet that we've been missing in the 101 bathroom, the black
Oh, that's nice.
shower faucet. Yeah. So that's the missing faucet. That finally came in. Nice, decent quality. It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
It's pretty good. We have some pin lights here that we've got to put throughout the areas. We need little flush mounted ceiling lights.
What is this?
That's the light. That's a light that we needed at the top of floor 3. There's missing one in the hallway going to the roof. Not have a light up there. You just stumble down off the roof and take a nice little fall. So we got a new light for that hallway that's missing. So many things, guys. So many little things that just needs done that we're doing. It's fun. It's a lot to absorb and digest. But it's definitely coming together, and we are having a great time getting this place ready for you guys to come stay with us.
I can wait for the next week to see all the progress.
Yeah. Lots happening. Some days a little more than others, but you can see the progress from the last video. We're getting there, guys. We plan on opening mid-January. We're probably going to do a soft opening in the restaurant. So we'll talk more about that as the time comes.
Yeah.
For sure, breakfast is going to be the grand opening deal. Come on in and have some breakfast and coffee, some biscuits and gravy. Everybody's like, what's biscuits and gravy? Is that something in a southern food or something? Got some of you guys in Australia and
Papi said
England. I said, you got to go watch the Filipinos made my gravy videos, and you'll know what biscuits and gravy is.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
It's delicious, guys. I can't wait to have you try this biscuits and gravy and tell me how much you love it.
I can't wait to eat breakfast with you guys.
Yeah. So we're getting ready for you guys. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for all your kind comments, all your interaction with our progress here. I appreciate it. There's several of you out there that give us a lot of good tips and very informative. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching our videos, guys.
Thanks.
So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your comments. We'll see you guys on the next video.
See you guys.
BT here wants to send you all a message.
Hey guys, I've got all kinds of things going on my channel. It's not just one or two things. I got like 10 things going on. You guys got to come see it because I'm roaming around the Philippines, and you got to come with me.
There we go.
All right, there you go, guys. Check out BT and Betty's Philippine Adventures channel. Check him out. Subscribe. Let's give this guy a bump. Let's get him up.
Yes.
Let's get him up to the big time,
Yes.
like we are.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, these big time people here. The big time people.